Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Sprint Booster. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on this 2020 Ram Limited. Sprint Booster is the #1 throttle control module in the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. Now if you're wondering what a Sprint Booster is, pretty much it's a little throttle control module that plugs into your throttle pedal that deletes the lag between your throttle pedal and your throttle body. If, like me, you grew up back in the day driving cars with a cable connecting the throttle pedal to the throttle body, you'd be used to that no lag life. The Sprint Booster here does exactly that. It deletes the lag between your pedal and throttle body, giving you instantaneous acceleration, helps you merge onto the highways better, and just gives your car a little bit more pep when you're driving around town. So the first step to your install is to take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car, and then you wait another 10 minutes with the door open. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next up, locate your throttle pedal assembly. Above that, you'll see the clip to your harness. Unplug that clip and plug the Sprint Booster in line. Plug your controller into the Sprint Booster and plug your Sprint Booster back into the pedal. Now run the controller up to your dash and mount it on there with the provided adhesive. But before you mount it on there, make sure you check that it's in the automatic setting if you have an automatic car like us, or if you have a manual car, make sure to switch it to the manual setting. Then you're good to go. The Sprint Booster has 32 unique modes, including valet mode, which pretty much limits your throttle output so that your car can't get revved out to pass a certain RPM in case anybody has to take your car out. This gives you a little bit more security with your machine. It also has 9 unique modes in sport mode and another 9 unique modes in race mode. So you can really dial in that pedal feel to what feels the best for you and your machine. Another cool feature the Sprint Booster has is pedal lock mode. So you can leave your car wherein the Sprint Booster will then disable your throttle pedal, making sure nobody can drive away with your car. All right, everybody. Thanks again for watching another Sprint Booster install. If you'd like to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. Give us a like, and if you enjoyed what you saw, hit us up in the comments below and let us know what other machines you'd like us to install Sprint Booster on. Thanks guys, have a great day. Bye now.